Dollar to Algorand estimate for August 2024. To start with, cost at 4,762 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,762, while low 3,846. The found the middle value of cost 4,384. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 4,167. Change for August 12.5%. US to Algo expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at 4,167 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,167, while low 3,333. The found the middle value of cost 3,810. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 3,571. Change for September 14.3%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for October 2024. US to Algo expectation for November 2024. At the outset, cost at 3,4048 coins. Excessive cost 3,4048, while low 2,778. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3,154. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2,141. Change for November 14.7%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 2,941 coins. Excessive cost 2,941, while low 2,381. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,707. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 2,564. Change for December 12.8%. US to Algo expectation for January 2025. First and foremost, cost at 2,564 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,632, while low 2,273. The found the middle value of cost 2,477. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2,4839. Change for January 4.9%. Dollar to Algorand estimate for February 2025. First and foremost, cost at 2,439 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,439, while low 2,083. The found the middle value of cost 2,296. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 2,222. Change for February 8.9%. US to Algo expectation for Walk 2025. First and foremost, cost at 2,222 coins. Exorbitant cost 2,273, while low 2,000. The found the middle value of cost 2,156. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,128. Change for spring 4.2%. Dollar to Algorand figure for April 2025. Before all else, cost at 2,128 coins. Excessive cost 2,222, while low 1,961. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2,099. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2,083. Change for April 2.1%. US to Algo expectation for May 2025. Dollar to Algorand figure for June 2025. Initially cost at 2,000 coins. Excessive cost 283, while low 1,786. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,948. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 1,223. Change for June 3.9%. US to Algo expectation for July 2025. Dollar to Algorand estimate for August 2025. To start with, cost at 1,852 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,961, while low 1,695. The found the middle value of cost 1,1832. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1,1818. Change for August 1.8%. US to Algo expectation for September 2025. At the outset, cost at 1,1818 coins. Excessive cost 1,923, while low 1,667. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1,799. The US to Algo conjecture toward the month's end 1,786. Change for September 1.8%. Dollar to Algorand conjecture for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at 1,786 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,786, while low 1,4829. The found the middle value of cost 1,635. The US to Algo estimate toward the month's end 1,538. Change for October 13.9%. US to Algo expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 1,538 coins. Exorbitant cost 1,961, while low 1,538. The found the middle value of cost 1,714. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 1,1818. Change for November 18.2%. Dollar to Algorand figure for December 2025. Before all else, cost at 1,818 coins. Excessive cost 2,326, while low 1,818. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 234. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2174, change for December 19.6%. US to Algo expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 2174 coins. Exorbitant cost 2273, while low 2000. The found the middle value of cost 2144. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2128, change for January 21%. Dollar to Algorand figure for February 2026. Before all else cost at 2128 coins. Excessive cost 2128, while low 1695. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 19042. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 1818, change for February 14.6%. US to Algo expectation for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at 1818 coins. Exorbitant cost 2273, while low 1818. The found the middle value of cost 229. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2128, change for spring 17.1%. Dollar to Algorand figure for April 2026. Initially cost at 2128 coins. Excessive cost 2128, while low 1852. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2027. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2000, change for April 60%. US to Algo expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 2000 coins. Exorbitant cost 2564, while low 2000. The found the middle value of cost 2236. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 2081, change for May 19.1%. Dollar to Algorand figure for June 2026. Initially cost at 2381 coins. Excessive cost 3030, while low 2381. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2662. The US to Algo figure toward the month's end 2857, change for June 20%. US to Algo expectation for July 2026. To start with cost at 2857 coins. Exorbitant cost 3704, while low 2857. The found the middle value of cost 3217. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 3448, change for July 27%. Dollar to Algorand gauge for August 2026. To start with cost at 3448 coins. Exorbitant cost 3448, while low 3030. The found the middle value of cost 3288. The US to Algo gauge toward the month's end 3226, change for August 64%. US to Algo expectation for September 2026. In the first place cost at 3226 coins. Exorbitant cost 3704, while low 3226.